Guys, welcome back to the channel, Lower Michigan Adventures, and oh, she's gone.
Shalisa.
And Shalisa Shell. What we're doing today is I got the little Saker saw, the mini saw, and what I want to do is have Shalisa actually test this crazy little saw out. It's a pretty cool saw, and I come all the way up here just to show her what we got. We're gonna test it out.
And I'll show you what I got to cut on.
Trying to figure out how to get over here.
That's what I was in debate about doing. Yep, there's no trails out here. You gotta blaze your own.
We got a blazer trail.
That's right.
We're on the search for some fatwood to test this crazy little saw out.
It'd feel good if you fell on it, wouldn't it?
Yeah, we got us some trailblazers.
Trail blazing.
High octane red pine.
Look at that one. We're getting deep. Is that a good one to cut on?
Yeah.
She said this is a good one.
I need to smell some pine wood because I haven't had to smell any yet this year.
I think this is red pine.
Be careful.
Yeah. Find a place to get comfortable.
She's actually using her little saw before we bust open the Saker.
Oh, what are you thinking?
I'm cutting into the sapwood right now. It looks good.
Oh,
I still think it might be. Yeah, it's white pine. I think so.
It's still pretty good.
It's hard to tell.
Look at it. Look at. I'll set that there. Ta-da! Now, we're gonna let Shalisa try this out, but I'm gonna do a little warm up with it to test it. There's my little wrench. This saw actually comes with the wrench, but I misplaced it to adjust the chain and the chain.
It's too bad they don't have a way to.
The chain's not too bad.
Wow, that's little.
So, it's just a little tiny saw. And the real test, you gotta oil this up.
Well, that would make sense not to have an oil reservoir because it's so small.
Right.
It would be more messy too if you had an oil reservoir on it.
So, where's the box?
Is that a 20-volt battery?
Yep, this is a 20-volt battery. And let's see if I can get Shalisa to cut one of these. Let me see.
Here, I'll let you have yours.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna take off the dry end first. That grabs really nice. I wish my chainsaw grabbed that nice. Of course, maybe I need to sharpen my blades a little better. All right, that's a little deep, so I gotta find a different angle. There she goes.
Voila.
Voila! Ooh, and it smells so good. Comes with a free oak leaf.
Ta-da!
Not so bad. I like it.
No.
Yeah, it might be easier to go around. Now, where did I see that nice branch? Thanks for carrying that for me. All right. I see there's some nice little ones over here. Follow me.
She's like, how do I get there?
How do you get there? What's the best way to go?
It's like we're on a crazy little hunt.
Yeah, watch these. They're really spiky.
Yeah. Woo.
Need safety glasses with this thing. It works that good.
Yeah, actually, the 6-inch one comes with a carrying case and safety glasses. Extra change and 2 batteries. Woo!
Any on your side? No? Let's try this one. Ready?
Ready, set, go!
Nice color. We'll get one more.
We got a lot of branches in the way.
Yeah. There we go. Let's give this one a try. It grabs really nice and just goes right in. Thanks for letting me try your saw.
Yeah, thanks for testing it out for us. What do you think? Can it handle the job of Fatwood?
Oh yeah, even the bigger branches you can find your way around it.
What do we have? What do you think?
Red pine. All of these are red pine. I had my doubts over there, but it's a red pine.
Wow.
Oh, she found one. She wants
found
to know what it
something.
is. Let's go.
Let's go find out.
I've got a couple trees I've saved over there, cut in half. Look at that. Yeah, Fatwood.
What do you find?
You're looking at the roots? Oh, here's from my stash. Check it out.
Oh, wow.
I want to get that home so bad. Robin's eggs. Yeah, we got them in our yard already. Yep.
What do we have here? Robin eggs.
Yep. I've got another stash spot over there. I'm so glad we came here because I forgot about the Fatwood I stashed over there and all the pine knots that I haven't cut yet over here. So I'm real happy. I'll be going home with 5 really good pieces.
All
Watch
right.
me saw. Man, that's a nice knot. It's doing that because I'm going too deep into the sapwood. I should know better.
Yep, it says to just let it work, not
Yep.
press too hard.
Yeah, this thing grabs enough you don't have to press.
Right.
That's
Slit
a
it.
beautiful pine knot. Isn't that a beautiful
Yeah, look at
specimen?
that. Yeah, that is nice.
These suckers are thick, but I can get them.
Putting the old Saker saw to the test right here.
High octane red pine, Michigan gold. There's number 2.
Ooh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty.
Let's go for this one. I'm getting stuck in the sapwood. Okay, tell me how your
Don't have, yeah.
okay,
Is it loose?
just a little bit. Do you have a simple way in this to tighten
Yeah,
it?
tighten it. Yeah, I gotta take the wrench to it.
Oh, well, we'll do that after we finish,
All right.
because it's not that loose.
No.
It's because this thing's shaking and moving. That's got some incredible veins. Incredible veins. Very
Look at that.
nice.
Very nice piece.
Guess I didn't need to cut it, huh?
She got the whole piece.
Man, that smells good.
Well, what do you think?
Well, I'm a little bit winded, but I didn't have to do a thing.
That's the way to do it.
Oh man, that's such a pretty knot. I can't leave it. Look at this knot from my side.
All right.
Watch your camera. Come have a look at this beautiful pine knot. That is just beautiful.
Right there.
Very decorative pine knot.
Watch your camera.
Yeah, you can sit on that log. Should be fairly dry. Check this out, guys. The bottom end of this tree I actually cut out.
Did you?
Yep. There's a whole part of the tree missing, and one of the ferro rod sets I showed you came from that piece of wood.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I remember every tree, every trail. I'm a map nerd.
That's all right.
Yep, that's a beautiful one. See if I can get it out of there without losing too much. Here we go. I cut that way longer than I needed to, but man, that's some beautiful grain. I've been harvesting fatwood here for 7 years. This park was blown away by a big storm in 2011, and it just wiped everything out. But they reopened it, and there's just fatwood everywhere. It stinks that the pines are gone, but they've really taken care of this place. This is a county park, and they've turned it into a disc golf park.
Right.
And this park is now appreciated by many.
Right.
Used to be a lot of Renaissance fairs here.
Guys, thanks for joining us with this crazy little test of the Saker Mini 4-inch saw. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and we'll catch you at the next one.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Cut!